Good morning. I just woke up. I woke up at 7:30 and then I woke up at 9:30 and then I finally woke up at 11:10. Um I feel like I don't have the motivation to get out of bed even though I have no place to live and I really have to get going and do something about it. So let's go, let's get breakfast, and then let's go near work to find a place to live and call some people. I do have to call some people. Oh my god. Okay, finally got one lead from a broker after calling like three different people. So going there right now. It's quite sunny in Bangalore. It's not hot because I don't feel like it's hot. I look like a cartoon right now though. I forgot my sunscreen at home, so I have to buy a new sunscreen now. But yeah, it's quite pretty actually. And just walking to his office, and then gonna see some flats, and then get lunch. I haven't had anything. Also, can you look at the clouds? Delhi me could never imagine looking these clouds at a random day in June. So I mean, I'm sorry, but I'm just romanticizing this walk quite a lot. Because look at those damn clouds. It looks so damn pretty. I love clouds. Okay, we are walking back to the hotel because silly me who forgot her wallet in the hotel with the cash laying all over the room. So, not all over the room, but you get what I mean. It's out in the open. So I think it's kind of safe to just go and get it. Otherwise, I'll just keep overthinking the whole way. Yeah, we were too excited to get out, I guess. But yeah, I've not had lunch, so I really do have to get lunch after I see few flats. Yeah, bye. Quick update. Saw three houses so far. The rent is unimaginably expensive. Like for a flat that is less than 500 square feet, you're paying something like 33k. The weather is nice, the locality is so nice, but then I'm looking at the rent and I'm paying practically more than 25% of my salary, and I'm not sure what to do. Yeah, but look at the rain. But then I'm also kind of thinking that even if I get something cheap a little farther from the office, I'll still spend something like 3k every day, right, in transportation. So might as well just zip it. And I know it's gonna hurt like hell, but get a flat there, and then be on the search to shift later. So that is the plan for now. I've not had lunch. I thought it would take 10 minutes and I would be done, but unfortunately I'm not. And so just gonna see a couple of flats and then gonna head out and get lunch. Okay, came here at Asha Tiffins, which is literally so close to my office. I've been getting house a little farther, but I don't want it. So let's see what happens. I don't know. But also, I am getting so nervous recording this because it's fully damn packed. Like, yeah. But also, one more reason that I've been thinking about why I'm dining at these places is to save money. Because I don't have a home right now, so of course I can't cook at home. And eating out at cafes, usually one time it costs more than 500, and it's just not economical in the long run, like for 10 days. So I've been finding these cute spots, like this is Asha Tiffins. So here I got a Bombay sandwich for 135 rupees. Yesterday I went to this cute spot where I spent, I think, just 90 rupees getting lunch. So that was, yeah. So it's like every day I'm planning to spend something like 200, 300 rupees for the food. So that even if it ends up that I have to stay in a hotel for a longer time, then even then I could save some money. Okay, the food is here, so we shall find a place to eat now. Everything looks pretty occupied. Excuse me. Okay, I finally got my sandwich. The guy is literally waiting across the road. I have to finish it and then just jump straight into finding houses. I actually really like the problem that I'm having right now. So like this everywhere. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna choose a house from here, but this guy has been so helpful, like so helpful. I just wanna say, like, I don't have any work. I've been out since 1 in the morning and literally so many people have helped me, but most of all the person that I'm seeing the houses with. Okay, today was really hectic. Saw two different brokers, saw a lot of houses. Just hesitating to make a decision right now because I've not made such a big decision in my life. And it's like, if a flat is good and the price is also good, then I'm just getting confused. Like, is there something that they're not telling me, right? I don't know. I'm just a very pessimistic person, so I just ought to think the worst in every situation. So it is one of the situations where I'm like, I don't know, are they hiding something from me? But I think I have a flat in my mind that I want to buy. So what I'm gonna do is, because I have this doubt, I will try one more time tomorrow, and if that does not work out, then I'm just gonna finalize the house that I found for today. Anyway, so I am at dinner right now, and this is what I ordered. Since we spent less money on lunch, we decided to splurge for dinner. I ordered some khao soy. It smells aromatic, but I am not sure how it tastes. Oh, also the view is pretty great. I really like the view. It's very noisy in the restaurant though, but overall nice. It's right across the street from my hotel, so that's why I came here. But yeah, let's see what happens. I have no idea if you can hear me, but if you can, I forgot to tell you guys that like, for anyone who has not tried khao soy, it's a Burmese dish. So it's like, it's made up of coconut milk. They make a curry out of coconut milk. So it's kind of creamy, very flavorful. I think it would be nice if you like a little spicier and nutty foods, because you can also add the caramelized onion, the nuts, and spring onions. That's my favorite topping on top of it. Yeah, so I think it would be nice if you want to try something new. You can definitely give this a try. To be very honest, it's kind of nice. best khao soi I've had was in Burma. So of course, in comparison, even then, it's actually kind of nice. So this place is called the Rasoia Street. It's right across the blue. It's actually pretty dope. I like it. I would give it like a 8 on 10.